Hello everyone, how are you my dear students? Grade 2, I miss you all. As you know, I am M.shaian English teacher as family and friends. Now, I have Unit 5, I want you to review for you. Hope you all listen to me and watch me please. Here we have some vocabularies. The first one we have the word art. Art, do you know what is art? Art, what are we doing in art? Think. Well, I will tell you, in art we are drawing pictures and we are coloring. We can also use scissors, papers, things to make in art. The number 2 we have maths or mathematics. This one is for numbers, counting, and also, for example, we have times, clocks. In maths, we are counting things, numbers. So the first one is art, the number 2 is math or mathematics. The number 3 word is English. You know you have English, 2 subjects in this school. You have sunrise and family and friends. Both of them are English. In English, you are learning the letters, the alphabets, and the sounds, the words. You can read, you can write, you can also speak English. So this is the benefit of English language. The number 4, we have another lesson, is science. What is it? Science. Science is about many things. For example, it's about seeds, life cycles, plants, animals, birds, and also human body, and many things that is in the world. The number 4, we have also 5, another subject, we have PE. Maybe you think, teacher, what is PE? As you know, PE is a short form, okay? PE, it means, I will write here for you, physical education. Physical education. It means it's just like a sport, okay? In PE, you are doing many fun things. For example, you are running, jumping, swimming, playing football, playing tennis, playing basketball. These are all about sport, also baseball and tennis. So this is PE. We say PE, not P. We just have to say PE because it's the short form of physical education. And I know that you all like PE. Okay. After that, the last subject we have music. Okay? Music is also a fun lesson. You are doing many things. In music, what can you do? If you remember, if you think, you can answer me, I know. For example, you can sing a song. Listen to music. Okay? These are all the subjects for Unit 5. I want to review one more time. Please repeat after me at home. Art, math or mathematics we can say, English, science, PE is physical education, but you just tell me PE. And the last one, music. Here we have a conversation, a chant between Rosie and Tim. They are talking about what do you what have you got. For example, you know that you have got a timetable. In the timetable, we have the days of the week, as here, for example, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, okay? And Friday and Saturday, you don't have school, so it's home. On the days of the week, you have the lessons, the subjects. Each day, you have different subjects, okay? So these are about the subjects and asking questions about it. You can play the CD at home, or you can read for yourself. Well, here we have got many vocabularies. For example, the first one we have playground. What do we have? Playground. Do you know what is playground? Well, I know you like playground because in the playground you can play games. You can jump, you can run, you can talk to your friends, many good things and fun things you can do. The number 2, the words is sports field. If you have PE, you can come to the sports field and play games, play sports. For example, you can play footballs, running. This is in sports field. Number 3, we have art room. You know that in your school, you have a very beautiful art room. In the art subject, you are coming to the art room with Miss Ivan and paint pictures and drawing colors, make and nice things. Okay, another room we have is computer room. Yeah, in your school also we have computer room. It means that you use your laptop or computer, you write things on it, or you are, for example, coloring things on it. You can do many things in computer. So this is computer room. The last word we have is gym. Do you know what is gym? For example, in upstairs we have gym. You can do many things. For example, Zumba, running, playing things, playing games, gym. This is also another word. Hope you all read these words. And this one is a song. Here we come to the sounds. We have got sounds, but it's not a letter. It's 2 letters. Here we have D and R. We say them in both. For example, we say both of them dur. What is it? Dur. Can you repeat please one more time? Dur. For example, drum. Okay? Drum. And we have dress for girls, for women. Dress. We have many extra words. Okay, for dur. I know you are clever. You can think at home. For example, dur what? Here we have dur drink. Okay, dur. For example, dry. It means something is dry, is not wet. So dur drum, dur dress. Of course, we have many extra words. And another one we have got tr, tur. What is it? Tur. We have another one, tur. Can you think about more words? Here we have 2 pictures, 2 words for tur. For example, truck. Do you see? This one is truck. This is not a car. This is not a van. We say truck. This is a very big car, okay? It's truck. Again, truck. Another word for tur, tr, tur, tree. Tree, okay? Tree. We have also extra words for tr. For example, can you think? Think more. Trouble. Triangle. Do you know what's triangle? Like this one. This is a triangle, okay? Also, we have trouble. It means just like a problem. So this is the sound tr. Another sound we have got is C with R. It becomes kr. It becomes kr. Can you repeat one more time? Kr. For example, crayon. Do you know what's crayon? It's a type of for example, just like a pencil, you are painting with it, okay? So crayon, crayon. Another word for kr, crab, crab. Okay, we have also extra words for kr. For example, crocodile. It's dangerous. You know what's crocodile? Yes. So these are the sounds dur, tur, kr. One more time I will repeat for you. Please repeat after me. And try to look at the pictures because they are necessary. You have to know them, each letter, each sound for which words. For example, dur, drum, dur, dress, tur, truck, tur, tree, kr, crayon, kr, crab. These are about the sounds. Now I want to go to Unit 6 here. In Unit 6, as you know, we just read this page. This is page 42. Here we have these vocabularies, these phrases. You have to know them because they are important. It's easy and they are nice. Let's play after school. Well, this unit, this lesson is about after school. You know that when you are at school, you do many things. For example, you are listening to your teacher, you do your subjects, you do maybe your homework with your teacher, and you are also playing games with your friends outside, you are eating lunch, many things that you are doing at school. But after school, what are you doing? And even what am I doing? You know, after school is different because you go home. So when you go home, what are you doing? These are some words, some phrases, some pictures that maybe we do at home. Okay, we start from the first picture. The first picture is a mom and a boy. Is help my mom. When you go home, do you help your mom? Or we can change to help my dad. Do you help your dad? Do you help your brother, your sister? This is something when we go home we do. Help my mom. You can say, when I go home after school, I help my mom. I help my dad. The picture number 2 is a girl. After school, what is she doing? Or we can also use for boys. What is he doing? Do my homework. What are you doing? Do my homework. Of course, we have very good students. When they go home, they do homework. You can say, teacher, when I go home, I do my homework. The number 3, visit my grandma. Visit my grandma. When you are going home after school, you can visit your grandma. Or you can change to grandpa, aunt, uncle, cousins, neighbors, friends. You are visiting them, okay? Visit my grandma. Visit my grandpa. It means that you go to their houses, you want to see them. You can drink tea, drink orange juice with them and speak with them. So this is visit them. Visit. Visit my grandma or visit my grandpa. The picture number 4, we have also another thing is go swimming. What? Go swimming. You go and you swim. Okay? Go swimming. But this one, because it's now cold, the weather is somehow cool or cold, we cannot go swimming after school. But in summer, we can do it because in summer it's very hot. We need to go swimming. So, after school, you can go swimming. The picture number 5, we have a music lesson. Another time. Have a music lesson. It means that after school, you can have a course for music. You like piano, you want to learn piano or violin or drums, these or guitar. You want to learn them, have a music lesson. So maybe some students, they are going or they like to have a music lesson. The last word we have watch TV. Of course, many of us, when we go home after school, we watch TV, especially in the evening at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, because it's time for cartoons, very fun cartoons or animations. And it's good for you because you can watch them, you can learn English, or you want to see them in Kurdish, no problem. So you can have or relax by watch TV. Here is a girl watching a cartoon, a rabbit. Watch TV. Please, can you repeat after me one more time? I will say all the words together. Help my mom. Help my mom. Do my homework. Do my homework. Visit my grandma. Visit my grandma. Go swimming. Go swimming. Have a music lesson. Have a music lesson. Watch TV. Watch TV. Very good. Okay. I know you have many things, extra things that you do after school. That's good. You can tell me later when you come back to school. Here I have a worksheet. I prepared it for you. I want to show you how to answer me. I will inshallah send you by Viber. Here is the question 1. Match the words with the pictures. Of course, they are the subjects, okay? We have the words English, maths, science, music, art, PE. And here are the pictures. Which one is English? Which one is PE? Which one is art? You have to match them, okay? Try to look at them. The question 2, in question 2, I have a question for you. You have to answer me. What is your favorite subject? You know, you have many subjects. English, Kurdish, Arabic, religion, art, IELTS, science, PE, maths. These are all subjects. So I want to know which one is your favorite subject. You can tell me 2 subjects, no problem, okay? 3. How many you like? What is your favorite subject? You have to answer me. My favorite subject is 1. Or my favorite subjects are, okay? The question 3, circle the correct words. Here we have number 1, dash room. Which one? Do we say ant room or art room? Number 2, playground or ground. You know which one is right, which one is correct one. You have to circle it. Also number 3, 4, same thing. Question 4, write about the pictures. You know what is this picture? Go what? Go what? You know. Write it, okay? Number 2, help. Help what? You are helping who at home? Of course, you know which one. Number 3 and 4, 5 also. What is this? Look at the picture and answer. Number 4, what is this? Number 5. The question 5, answer about yourself. What are you doing after school? Can you tell me what are you doing after school? For example, what? You have to write. What are you doing after school? This was all about Unit 5 and Unit 6. I hope you all like it and review at home, please. Have a nice holiday. Miss you all, my dear students. Love you and bye-bye. See you inshallah.